Okay, we are live now, and thank you all for joining. I see many people are here, and a very warm evening to everyone. Right? Hi, Charan. Hi, Vikshit. Hello, Hitesh. Polishetty Vishnu, Omar, Enjum, Ankem. Your names are very beautiful, to be honest. Right? And I hope you all are able to hear me. Right? Are you all able to hear me? Can you give a quick yes so that I can understand that you all are able to hear, and people on LinkedIn can say a hi if you are able to hear me. So yes, hi Agalya. Oh my god, today's the names are very much different. I really like the name. Agalya is there, Enjum Sudhakar is there, right? And Ankim Akhil is there. So very unique names are there. Vikshit, okay, your name is also good. Okay, so all are able to hear me, right? Great. And what about people on LinkedIn? Are you all able to hear me, watch me talking? What are your takes? Okay, people on LinkedIn, can you give me a quick yes so that I can understand that you all are with me? A quick yes. People on LinkedIn, yes. Fun videos, Venki, yes. Watching you from Hyderabad, Sayed Aju, great. Okay, what about people on LinkedIn? बढ़िया, क्या हाल चाल? मतलब डिनर वनर किया कि नहीं आप लोगों ने? खाया कि नहीं कुछ? The josh should be always high if you are with me, right? So that is what the concept will be taking ahead, right? Badhiya. So how is the josh, right? Yes, Kamalpreet, I know you are from France, right? Kamalpreet, if I'm not wrong, I saw your comment. Manish Yadav, Divya, great. So many people are with us, right? Okay. So today's session will be very much interesting, right? And we'll be talking about all your queries. First of all, let me tell you, like, what are the projects that we are covering? Watching from London. Great, man. That's so nice to hear from you, right? Josh should be high, yaar. Dekho, recession was there, right? Definitely recession was there. But don't worry. The things will be always like anti to us, but we have to make it go through, right? So that is why we are here to discuss on all the things that you should be knowing today to crack good job offers in 2024, right? So that is what we will be looking at, and we'll be watching few of the things that are very much important for you to cover in the next few months, right? So let me go over to the website, right? And I will be taking your queries in little bit of time. First, let me explain you what are the projects that you are going to get in today's Prime Batch 6.0. So we'll be specifically talking about projects, right? And these projects are very much unique and curated for you, right? So let me share my screen. I hope you all have pen and notebook, and we'll be discussing few of the very important questions that how can we cover in 2 months this many projects. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you like what are the projects that we are going to cover, and we'll be we'll be watching like how in 2 months we are going to cover this. Okay, so very simple. I am putting like Prime Batch 6.0 projects. Okay, so what are these projects and how you are going to cover this 14 projects, right? Those who have enrolled for them and those who are looking to enroll for them also. This next 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, if you are with me, I'll be covering all these things like how we are going to achieve, how we are going to achieve, when we are going to achieve, where we are going to achieve, right? And finally, what we are going to achieve. So I always talk in terms of this so that our students of Prime Batch 6.0 are capable of understanding like how, when, where, what this 14 projects are applicable in your 2 months of journey, right? 2 months plus journey we will be covering, right? And I hope you all are able to understand the uniqueness of this projects. Okay, apart from this projects which we are covering in the Prime Batch 6.0, we will be having 200 plus interview questions, and this interview questions are from companies which I have cracked. Okay, and the challenge you can take from today, if any of the mentor in your surroundings, in your circle is giving this kind of set to you, you can directly go ahead. I don't have any concerns, any issues. But coming on to me, I specifically focus on projects. I specifically focus on interview questions and scenario based questions also. Okay, along with that, in my teaching you will also see production based issues, right? Production based issues, right? Along with that, you will see 10 to 15 automations, right, under me, right? So in everything, you need to understand that in 2 months, you are going to get power packed content, guys. Okay. Now, power packed means you also should show the same energy to me the way I am talking. You should be very much enthusiastic in learning new things. At the same time, you should be having the Josh till the March. Okay. January, February, March. So till March, you should promise me that you will be with me. Now, tell me how many of you are ready to give your time, your dedication to me and to yourself till the month of March. How many of you are here? Tell me. Very honestly, I am asking, guys. You give your 2 months to me, and I am giving you the 100% results to you, right? Yes, you all are with me. What about people on LinkedIn, guys? I'm telling very much honestly, I'm telling. I'm not talking like anything on terms of lie. I'm not doing anything lie. I'm only talking specifically in terms of reality. I'm talking about reality. I'm talking about truth. If you are with me for another 2 to 3 months, I am guaranteeing the best of the best results to you, best of best. And this, I am only not talking. I'll be showing you how students have got placed under our mentorship. And one of the biggest achievement which our students have got from our batches is basically this and this. Okay. So the 14 plus real-time projects, okay, the 14 plus real-time projects along with 200 plus interview questions of mine. In this interview questions, again divided into 3 parts, guys: coding, okay, and it will be scenario based. You don't need to worry ki yaar, I don't know coding, how can I do it? No, because I will be giving you scenario like you hit the rest endpoint, get the data, manipulate the data, and send that data to your manager, send that data to the other team, right? So that kind of scenarios which I myself got in the interviews, I'll be talking in the coding based. System design, guys, system design, one of the important aspect in 2023. I hope you all know that in 2023 I got 10 offers from the companies like Adobe, from the companies like Zeta, from the companies like all are like senior SRE positions. Now you assume that if you are getting all these questions, now who is going to stop you, right? You get the coding questions from me, you get the system design questions, you get the interview questions, right? All this from top product based companies like Microsoft, Amazon, right? And this 200 questions are divided into 2 parts, and part A and part B. Part A for freshers, right? Part A is for freshers. I have divided into the like easy ones and hard ones, right? Easy ones for freshers and hard ones for like once everyone qualifies to learn those things. So then your part 2 questions will be rolled out. Now, I am again asking, guys, if you give me your 2 months, I'm again very much clearly telling, right? Very honestly, I'm talking. There is nothing to bluff here, right? Nothing to bluff. The amount of energy I am putting in each class, you will see once you join, right? So let's talk about what you need to give to me, right? I am giving you these all things. Apart from this, you are also getting mock interviews. You are also getting resume templates. I hope you have seen yesterday's YouTube video where I have shared my resume, my Walmart resume. From Walmart, how I have cracked 10 job offers, right? That you would have seen. But to be very honest, the resume templates or the roles and responsibilities of all the 14 plus projects which we are covering, we will be giving you the roles and responsibilities so that you can directly put in your resume. Guys, now tell me one thing. I'm asking you one thing only. I'm from my side, I'm asking you one thing. If you promise me to attend next 2 to 3 months every class, right? And without missing any live class, because I believe when we talk in live, the energy, the momentum which I am keeping at my end will be transferred to you, right? Directly to you in terms of projects, in terms of theory, in terms of how to crack up product-based companies. And that's what our agenda is. Now tell me, again, I am asking, how many are with me for the next 2 to 3 months? You have to give your whole time to me. You have to give your entire day, week, night, day, everything to me. Tell me how many of you are with me. If you work hard in 2 to 3 months, I am guaranteeing the best results to you. I am guaranteeing the best results to you. right? That is what my guarantee is. How many are you? How many of you are with me? Now tell me how many of you are with me in batch 6.0, who can promise me that yes, you guys are going to rock with me, you guys are going to give a damn. Anything comes to your mind, anything comes to your way, you are going to hit that hurdle, cross that hurdle, and overcome with a job offer, right? Yes, you all are with me. What about others? I'm only getting from Srinivasa, I'm only getting from Suhas, I'm only getting from Sudhakar. What about others, guys? What about others? You don't have belief in you. What is there stopping you? What is there stopping you? When I am telling that I am going to give you the power, you the energy, you the interview questions, you just have to sit in the interview, talk confidently that yes boss, you take me in, yes boss, you take me in. That kind of josh you should be able to show, right? Yes. So that's what everyone is expecting out from each of the SRE and DevOps candidate, guys. Okay, very simply, no prerequisites, guys, no prerequisites. And I'm again telling those who have enrolled, right? Those who have enrolled in the Prime batch 6.0, very interestingly, let me tell you some placements also which we have achieved from 5.0 batch, right? So you can see here, a fresher is asking whether he should accept the offer or not, right? You can see here, sir, I got the L1 position, 6 LPA. Sir, my date of joining is 3rd February 2023. Shall I go for this or not? I'm very much confused, right? And you can also see I got an offer, someone please add me to WhatsApp group, right? And a mother of a kid is telling, I got a Walmart third party chaos engineering, Praveen, can you help me, right? And again someone is telling, like, shout outs people are giving, and people have got jobs in various places. And you see we have a community managers also, where someone is telling he has got offer from Bank of America, right? Someone is telling that he has got 200% hike offer. Now all these offers are from 5.0 top product based companies and with 40 plus LPA package. And 4.0 placements, you can see all are like placements only, placements everywhere. This placements is there, guys. You don't need to worry. Only thing, yes, you see here 36 LPA our students have cracked. Mercedes Benz, we only talk about the product based companies, we only target product based companies, guys. You can see how the targets, like you can see if this message is fake, you cannot see like 14 new messages. This was directly in class, and people are actually viewing everything. People know the efforts that we put, people know the energy that we put, people know the confidence that we put, people know how in each session I come forward and put the energy in you, understand you in terms of freshers to experience, guys. So that is what we are here with. Now are you ready to go over one by one project? How many of you ready? How many of you ready? That Praveen, okay, let's go ahead from one by one project. Let's see like what are the projects that are there in Prime batch 6.0 with 14 plus projects. How many are you there? And those who want to enroll, you can enroll also. Still 70% off is there, guys. 70% off is there. You can enroll. Just go and see, check the student reviews, check the students reviews, and everything is here. By the meeting end, by the time the meeting gets end in another 30 minutes, guys, those who are interested to grab 70% off can grab here. And still we are going to get you all the flights getting ready, right? Great. Now let's see how many of you are ready to go over the 14 plus real-time projects. One by one I will be telling you how the architecture of each of the projects that we are going to lay down, how the data that we are going to formulate, we are going to lay down, right? I will be taking Q&A at the end. Now tell me how many of you are ready to go over the 14 plus projects. Each project, the big daddy of all the projects are here. 14 plus DevOps and SRE real-time projects. How many of you are with me? How many of you are with me to crack the product-based companies? Now, can we go ahead and watch the 14 plus projects, guys? Yes? Can I cover the 14 plus projects in a detailed way? How many of you are with me? Quickly, yes. Quickly, yes. How many of you are with me to cover the 14 plus projects? Class timings, yes, class timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, Jaya Reddy. Yes. Are you all ready? Sudhir is telling ready, ready, ready. Sakid, Sadik, nice. Venkatramna, great. Shavi is telling ready. Great. So let's go and see what are these 14 projects, how you can keep in your resume according to your needs, how you can mold the data according to your needs. We will be watching everything, guys, now. Okay. And again, I am telling, if anyone is willing to enroll at 70% off, you can just visit my website, heydevops.in/batch6, or you simply type hey devops on the internet. You can directly get our website. Directly you type hey devops, you can directly get our website on the Google. Okay, so you just type, you can get all the data and how the students are getting placed. You can check here on LinkedIn also. People have got amazing results. When I put in the last few months, if you would have seen in the last few weeks, I would say right, I would say like how our students have grabbed the opportunity. If you see all our posts, right, students are getting inspired from the way that we are delivering on the packages, right? So if you see here, right, laid off candidate in October 31st, but got placed with 40 plus LPA. And this guy is present on my LinkedIn connection also, right? So that is what the Josh is. That is what our agenda is at the end. And if you see 42.5 LPA for 3 years experience, guys, Amazon has paid my student. Hello, Praveen. I wanted to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude. Thanks a ton for your insights. I got a package. Can we have a time to discuss? This is what our students are getting, guys. 42.5 LPA, 20 lakhs base salary, 7.5 as your sign-on bonus, RSUs of 126, almost of 15 LPA of RSUs you are getting, right? So all together 42.5 as a component, guys. Okay, so anyone, see, you can see all the comments, guys. This post gave a tremendous response where students were in understanding that, okay, definitely if that guy has achieved, we can also achieve. So many amazing comments, amazing results, amazing community we are building up. And let's go and see what are the projects you are getting, guys. Again, before projects, I wanted to tell you the classes are starting from 20th January 2024. 2+ months we will be Saturday and Sunday 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Doubts clearing session on Wednesday or Thursday, and the class duration is 3+ hours. The same Josh you will be watching with me. Class recordings provided. Yes, guys, class recordings provided in 1080p. Course validity 2 years. Programming language we will be using completely Python. No prerequisites. Completely beginner friendly. Okay, let's go ahead and see what are the projects are there. Okay, so first let's talk about Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, guys. So I'll be talking one by one project. So let's see what are these projects are playing an important role in making sure how you are going to achieve this pipeline, guys. So in real time, if you see a e-commerce website, let's take like this Flipkart, right? Suppose you are releasing a new feature in Flipkart, right? A new year feature you are going to release. How better in a best way you use the DevOps, you use the SRE, you use the coding and deploy your application onto cloud. So this is what the Jenkins CI/CD pipeline will target in the first project, where in the very first section, and by the way, I forgot to tell you, before this projects, we have week 0, where we will be completely covering the basics of DevOps. What is DevOps? Why DevOps? Why we need DevOps? AWS account setup, all tools installations. Along with that, we will also see Linux commands. Majority of the basic things we will be covering in the week 0 and the week 1. From the week 1, we'll be targeting on the projects, guys. So that is why I have the confidence that this is basically a 100% job ready course. And I know many of you know the theory. All of you know the theory. Any point of time you get struck, don't worry, we have the community pages with us, right? So let's go ahead week wise. Let's see like what we will get. So in terms of CICD, you will get the entire pipeline, guys. Okay, entire pipeline you will be getting, and in this pipeline various kinds of tools will be integrated, like your Jenkins is integrated with your GitHub, then your webhook is coming into the picture, then your Maven build, SonarQube, then what is this? Oh, okay, sorry, not your first, your testing things like SonarQube, then your build with Maven, JFrog, then your Docker containerization, then your Kubernetes deployment. Like so many tools are involved here, and every tool we will be playing with the REST API automations, guys. So let's take like SonarQube, we'll be playing with REST API automation. JFrog, we will be playing with the REST API automations. And the best pipeline is we will be having so many things: Docker build, Docker push, Docker image creation. Everything will be here in the first pipeline project. Now, I have told very simple things on an overview because I have to cover 14 plus next projects. So I hope you are able to understand what is there in our first class, right? No, the classes are live classes, live classes, guys. The classes are live classes. So please try to understand these are live classes. Great. Now, all of you see here, when we talk about the pipeline, people usually forgot that how to integrate this pipeline with your GitHub, guys. So we will be creating Jenkins file, right? And we will be writing all the stages in the Jenkins file. And this all stages will create your pipeline. We will be doing some automations. We'll be writing some shell scripts, right? And we'll be trying to see like how these automations are trying to fit into your pipeline. So this is basically your project 1, guys. So coming on to the project 2, you can see here in the project 2, we are having Jenkins shared library project. Now, in companies like Flipkart, Amazon, in companies like Flipkart, Amazon, and all my previous companies, right? You will see that we are using JSL libraries, guys. So what do you mean by JSL? Is basically Jenkins shared libraries. And why we use it? Basically, in Flipkart, if you assume you have 4 applications, let's think like this: you have payments, right? You have payments, you have order page, right? You have checkout page, right? So let's consider that these 3 projects are there, and I can call like project 1, okay, project 2, and project 3. Okay, very simply, Flipkart, you just imagine that you logged into the Flipkart. For people who are watching me from outside, think any of your application which is available in the e-commerce, okay, in the e-commerce website. Okay, now you can consider that in Flipkart we are having 3 projects: project 1, project 2, project 3, guys. In this 3 projects, you are going to get 3 applications, correct? Now, our task is how you can automate these 3 applications deployments by using Jenkins shared library. So that is what this particular project will focus on most of the things. So guys, are you understanding how important our projects are playing? Guys, are you understanding how important our projects are playing with the help of? And that is why we are able to give the placements till 40 LPA. And this is not the joke, guys, getting 40 LPA during the recession, and that too from our Prime Batch 5.0 student who have cracked, right? It's not easy. Freshers have got jobs in the recession time. It's not easy. But when you have these kind of projects, then definitely no one is going to stop you. Now tell me, have you got understanding? Have you got the understanding of first 2 projects, what we are going to see or what we are going to learn? Yes or no? Everyone, can you give me a yes or no, so that I can understand that yes, you are able to understand what we are trying to do? All of you are clear with first 2 projects? Great, great, awesome. People on LinkedIn, please be active, guys, so that I can able to understand you guys are understanding what I'm talking and it's not going on your head, right? Okay, great. Sumit, what's your question? Okay, great. Okay, nice. You all are able to understand, right? कि यार हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं इस 30 minutes of drive, what we are trying to do. Yes, projects are live projects, guys. Again, I am telling, these are live projects. I will be doing each project in the class and you will be able to understand. Guys, again, I am telling, terms and conditions. I will be doing each of the project in class. I will be doing each project in class, okay? In class, step by step, I will be doing step by step. So if you are a fresher, no need to worry. If you are an experienced, you will come to know that, okay, amazing stuffs are there in place of Jenkins shared library. And in shared library, we will be including multiple Jenkins file and we will be integrating to the parent Jenkins file. So basically, parent and child concept we will be implementing. Clear, everyone? Yes, these two projects are clear. Can we go to the third project, guys? Course fees for this batch is very plain, guys. 70% off we are running. 70% off we are running in 4250. And after today, you can see after this live class, we are going to end this 70% off. The price will be again increased. So if anyone is interested to enroll, you can enroll with this links which I am providing, right? Or you can simply go to the Google, right, and type "Hey Devops." This is our basically brand, and you can first click on this link and you can go to the courses. You can check out the placements, you can check out where our learners are, and you can go to the courses. And this is what the course is, where you are getting 14 plus real-time projects. Shall we go to the third project, guys? Yes, project repo will be shared, project documents will be shared, project data will be shared, projects end-to-end data will be shared to you. Then how will you work, guys? You have to work, right? After I show the demo, you have to work, right, after going home. Yes or no? Yes, projects repo will be shared. Yes. Clear, everyone? Yes, projects repo will be shared. Yaar, who is this? Continuous message kare hi ja raha hai LinkedIn pe. Yes, we are giving you projects repository, right? People on LinkedIn, please. Yes, great. Okay. Now, shall we go to the next project, guys? Shall we go to the next project? Yes. Guys, are you all ready? Great. Srinivas is telling he has joined the Prime Batch 6.0. Now, those who want to join, guys, you have to enroll before this time, which is getting over 40 minutes, 31 seconds. This 70% off is there. Okay. Shall we go to the third project? Shall we go to the third project, guys? Now, in this third project, you will be able to see this entire combination. Beautiful project combination is there. Docker Advanced project, along with that Kubernetes deployment of 3-tier architecture, microservice deployment, and you will be visualizing how the data is transferred between 3 pods. One of the beautiful project, the legendary project, I call this. So let me tell you what you will be getting in the project 3. All of you, eyes on my screen, guys. In the legendary project, you are going to get, again, see here, all of you, Flipkart, we have 3 applications: payment, okay, orders, and cart. Okay, you all are using this, right? You can take Amazon also, that's completely fine. Okay, and I will be converting these 3 applications into Docker containers. Okay, Docker container 1, Docker container 2, Docker container 3, and I will be deploying this containers into Kubernetes. So it will be again converted into Kubernetes structure, like you can see, like this pod, we call like pod 1, pod 2, okay, pod 3. And the beauty is, guys, if you place the order from pod 1, your pod 2 will be receiving the data, and the pod 3 will be again giving back to the data. So you can see a 3-tier architecture, the front end, back end, and the database kind of architecture, and you will be visualizing in the UI these data. You hit the REST endpoint and get the data. Pod 1 will be talking to pod 2, pod 2 will be talking to pod 3, and the entire data transmission will be happening on the live, and I will be showing you live in the class, step by step, hands-on, guys, step by step. Very beautiful. This project is executed, and you will be getting all the data that you need to achieve your dream organization. Now tell me, are you finding any sequence, guys, in the projects? Are you finding any sequence from the projects? Project 1, CICD, project 2, Kubernetes, Docker, right? Project 3, again, uska baap of projects. Like, we are going step by step. We are trying to understand what tools are important in order to give you jobs, what projects are important to give you jobs. So that is what our main agenda is. Now tell me, how many of you understood about the third project? Tell me, how many of you understood? How many of you have understood the third project? Please tell me, give a heads up. Give a heads up. Yes, assignments will be given, hands-on tasks will be given. Yes, backend developers, Pooja, definitely you can enroll yourself. This course, you can definitely enroll yourself and be the part of this course. Have you all understood the third project, guys? Yes. What about people on LinkedIn? Have you all understood the third project? Let me see what my LinkedIn community is doing. My LinkedIn community was my strength, guys, to be honest. Very important. This LinkedIn community is my strength. I'm very proud. YouTube community is my strength, where people are trying to get the best version out of it with our batches, right? So that's what the Josh should be. Great. Shall we move to the biggest project, guys? Again, this is the daddy of all projects, I say, right? And what you will be getting here is, let me show you now. Let's understand here again the Flipkart project 4 monitoring, guys. Very important. You are going to get Kubernetes cluster monitoring. Okay, cluster monitoring. You are going to get tracing, SRE tracing monitoring. SRE, you are going to get SRE tracing monitoring. So here we are trying to introduce SRE also, tracing, metrics, data. Okay, where is that? Data and data. And you are going to get all the real-time flow of metrics. When you hit the REST endpoint, the time it took, let's take 1.1 milliseconds from front-end server to the back-end server. How much time this is traveling? 2 milliseconds. And to the database, it is taking 3 milliseconds. How this data is getting transferred, we will be watching with the Kubernetes cluster monitoring with tools like Istio Kigali, jaeger, SRE tracing monitoring. This is basically an SRE project which I have introduced. Now tell me, how many of you have understood the fourth project also? And we will be doing all those projects in AWS, guys. You don't need to have any server also. We'll be doing all those projects in AWS, guys. Primarily, I'm telling we'll be doing all those projects in AWS. And yes, you will be getting the assignments, the class notes, the PDF. Now tell me, how many of you have understood? How many of you have understood the fourth project? How many of you have understood actually? Can you all tell me, guys? Can you all tell me how many of you have understood the fourth project? Yes. Have you understood the fourth project? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Okay, many of you are telling you have understood. Can I proceed ahead with the next set of things? Can I proceed ahead with the next set of projects, guys? Yes. Yes, how many of you say fourth project understood? Sushil is telling. Suhas, great man, great. So guys, can we move ahead to the next set of projects which we have in our Prime Batch 6.0? Yes or no? People on LinkedIn, can you please try to help me understand? You all are understood. Can you bombard with a yes? Those who are watching me on people on LinkedIn, can you bombard me with a yes so that I can see your name and remember that yes, you are my student. Yes, you are the person who have supported me, and I should be giving you the 200% of my energy to you. Yes, Mahesh Nevas, right? Sushil, Sonar. Okay, sorry if I'm spelling your mistake wrong. People on LinkedIn, can you give me a yes, guys? Mahesh, except Mahesh, what about others? What about others, guys? भाई लोग कुछ response तो दो यार, मतलब जोश नहीं दिख रहा है आप लोग में. It's like यार आप आए, you are just listening the class. No, it should be very power impact. It should be like energy transfer. Like you should transfer your energy to me. I should give your energy back to you, like whatever you are getting from me, right? So now, guys, similarly, we have this many projects. Now, one thing, guys, those who are with me in completing this 14 projects, I am telling you are going to get a job. This is my responsibility, guys. Those who are completing this 14 plus projects, those who are completing this 14 plus projects, along with 200 plus interview questions which I have given, along with assignments. Now tell me one thing. Now this is the roadmap for you. Roadmap for next 2 months. 2 months roadmap. We will be covering 14 plus real-time projects. Everyone please see here. We will be covering 14 plus real-time projects. Approximately 200 questions, interview questions of your mentor. No one else. This is exclusive from your mentor. Your mentor has cracked all the companies that you are looking to join, and that is why this is exclusive for our community. Now, third thing, assignments. You are going to get assignments, beautiful assignments, very complex, medium to complex assignments will be here. And I'm telling, if any fresher is there, guys, then you are at a very rich place, I would say. Why? This kind of data, I would say, nowhere people gets. Very honestly, I'm telling, this kind of data nowhere people get. Now, are you ready with me to follow this 2 months, guys? Again, I am asking why I'm stretching here is very importantly, yes, obviously, interview preparation, resume reviews, mock interviews. Every Wednesday you are getting job guidance. Okay, here we are targeting doubts clearing session plus job guidance, plus you are going to get mock interviews, plus you are going to get resume reviews, plus interview preparation, everything, guys. As a loaded, we are planning to load you all with 2 months of data, what you need to achieve very simply. Now tell me one thing, how many of you are with me and taking this challenge? Now I would consider this as a challenge, where after 2 months, let's imagine you all are meeting me again and you all are talking with me. Just think, yeah, what is the change that you are going to bring in yourself, right? Are you all ready to take this challenge with me? How many of you are here? Yes, I'm going to take the Q&A in very soon time, but tell me how many of you are ready? Raise your hand. How many of you are ready to quick start your job search journey with me? How many of you are there who are thinking that, yes, Praveen, I am with you. You don't need any project senorita, right? You don't need any experience senorita. You just join beginner friendly. Now, all of you see here, again, I am going to tell you all the details. Now, guys, those who are looking to enroll, last few seats with 70% off we are keeping. And again, I am giving you all in here. You all can see, I'm putting as a comment here. Everyone, please enroll in this comment. And if you are watching me live, I am giving you here the data. Here itself, you can join upcoming 100% job ready course. This is what you are going to get as a URL. And again, I have given that link in the chat. Those who want to enroll yourself, guys, again, I am telling, people on YouTube are there, people on LinkedIn are there. चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करो भाई लोग, चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करो एंड जोश, maintain that josh. Challenge accepted, great. Challenge is accepted by everyone, where I am going to teach you all from scratch. Now tell me, how many of you are ready to enroll for 6.0? Just 2 years access. Now what are you getting additional things? If you see, right, you can see here class recordings in 1080p, 2 years code validity, and exclusive our community support. Guys, those who are registered, you are going to get, exclusive community access. Guys, this is your community. You can talk with everyone. Now Siddharth Kalagati is telling, hi, I'm Siddharth from Batch 5.0. Thank you for your support. It was a great experience. It was a massive 200% hike. And see, all the students are congratulating. You can see here the comment. So someone is telling, I attended interview for DevSecOps. See, guys, how people are sharing their knowledge. Sandeep is telling, hello, everyone. I have recently launched a blog. Can you all see here? Right? So those kind of things people are actually looking out. Now, how many of you have joined? I don't know. Seriously, but guys, please try to understand, this is our feed page. So guys, see, people are sharing interview questions also. All of you are able to see? Sujata as a person is sharing interview questions, DevOps interview questions, 2 years CGI. So people are telling thank you also. Sujata is our previous batch student. She has got this question: write a script, AWS experience database. So she's telling what are the pointers that CGI interviewer has expected out of her, and what are the questions that she got. Right? And some, like, so many people are there. So many people are there who are giving their knowledge, guys, who are giving their knowledge. Hello, everyone. Here is the first Ansible blog. People are writing the blog. People are sharing their knowledge, and people are actually helping each other. Right? I hope you all have joined. Are you all able to see how our community feed section is? All of you see here, guys, do anyone completed the Python automation project? I'm facing error and people are helping, right? And I can like DevOps job post to Mandar is sharing the post. So basically, those who have enrolled, they will be getting the access for this projects. Now, I am looking for, yes, I'm ready to join. Yes, Omar, definitely, Omar. I have several questions. Yes, Tanmay. Everyone, please shoot your questions. I'm ready to take your questions, guys. I'm ready to take your questions. And again, I'm telling, last 10 seats are there for 70% of those who are with me. You can enroll. And meanwhile, I'll be taking the question, and definitely the 14 plus projects. If you see Python project, chatbot automation, which I've done in my previous automation, shell scripting, real-time scenarios, Kubernetes cluster monitoring, we'll be using Helm charts. We will be creating Grafana Helm chart, Prometheus Helm charts. We'll be in the Kubernetes, and we will be writing the queries for Grafana and Prometheus, and we'll be watching that. AWS architecture with Terraform, AWS architecture creation, Ansible automations, role creation, system administration. So whatever we are focusing here, Java Spring Boot application integration with Splunk, Java plus database integration with project deployment. Not only this, guys, you are getting resume templates, mock interviews, interview questions, each project roles and responsibilities document. So you don't need to worry. Just you need to make sure that you are believing me. You are joining this Prime Batch 5.0, Prime Batch 6.0, where our students have done majority of the success from Prime Batch 5.0. 30 plus placements we have achieved, and you can see Jaeger, Kiali, Istio, Spring Boot, Postman, RBAC, HELM, MySQL, and whatever is needed we are covering. Now I am looking for 10 enrollments, guys. All of you, I am starting the timer now. Those who want to enroll your guys, this is the timer basically. All of you see here, 25. When it comes by 20, right? 20, I'll be waiting for 5 minutes. Now, those who want to enroll, guys, you can enroll for Prime Batch 6.0. I'll be waiting for 5 minutes and 10 registrations. I'll be waiting for 5 minutes and 10 registrations. Great, Saikiran. Awesome. Awesome. Great. Batch is going to start from 20th January, guys. You can see here, 20th January. We are left with 2 weeks. Guys, I'll be waiting for 10 registrations with 70% off. Beyond this, we cannot go low because we have to maintain servers. We have to help the teams which are there who are supporting. We have to help the people, those who are always coming us with queries, right? So many things are there. So that is the reason we are looking for 10 enrollments, guys. Those who are with me, I'll be waiting till this timer goes to 20. Guys, any questions, any queries, please ask me. Yes, we are giving you the top product-based companies data here, right? We are providing you the top 100 companies which we have cracked, which myself I have cracked, right? So we will be giving you those kind of things. Yes, great, great. Siddhartha Party, he is our previous batch student. He's just telling, suggested friends to join DevOps Singam. Very beautiful. Limited seats from Shri Krishna. We are not targeting many people. We are targeting with limited seats. Yes, career gap, Satya Babu, you can join. Hi, Praveen. If I want to move from automation testing, yes, Surinder, we have from automation testing, storage domain. We have from backend. People have migrated to DevOps with our projects. I'm very much confident about my projects, my way of teaching. Very simple. I'm confident with my projects, guys. I'm confident with my projects, with my interview questions, with my experience, with my interview experience, guys. Now, yes, waiting for 8 more enrollments, guys, for today's class. Waiting for 8 more enrollments. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. Those who want to enroll yourself, this is the awesome opportunity that you are going to make with us. You are going to make with the brand DevOps, where we always target students getting placed. This course is starting from 28th, and we are making sure that you are with me. Yes, 8 more enrollments, guys. Let me join as well. Yes, Mamsi, I've asked 4 times. Harsha, please, one more last time, Harsha. Can you ask your full question? Guys, let's get this beautiful training session because he's explaining pin to pin from scratch. Great, Saiger, and awesome. Thanks for your support. Harsha, can you please ask your question again? How to get job in DevOps? Yes, Satya Babu, this is what we are trying to get from our batch 6. Hey, brother, can you add security DevSecOps? Yes, obviously we have security also. All of you see here in the week 1, if you see Sonar, code coverage, 40, Java, Maven, security tools, 45. Yes, we have. I didn't got over week to week because it takes so much time for you, even for me to explain all the things. That is why this projects we are covering. So, guys, last 8 enrollments we are waiting with 80% off. Now, don't need coding. We will be targeting mostly on the scenario based questions. We will be targeting on scenario based questions. Yes, yes, definitely you will be talking with me, right? People are LinkedIn are very much silent. They are thinking that, yeah, I will again enroll, I will later on enroll. But you are missing out that by the time you come, by the time you think like, okay, whether it is available or not, right? This 70% off will be getting completed. I'm again rolling the link. Those who are interested, guys, they can definitely join. Again, this is the, and I think LinkedIn also. Yes. So guys, comment who and all are following me from last maybe 2 3 months. How many of you are following me from last 2 3 months on LinkedIn? How many of you are following me from last 2 3 months? Great. Last 7 enrollments, guys. I think done payment and register. Sunil, last 7 enrollments, guys. Anyone who is interested to be the part of batch 6, anyone who is interested with the batch 6, please let us know, let me know your data. If anyone is interested, anyone following you from an year, great. Shubham, nice. Since December 2nd, I am following you, Praveen. Great. Pranay. Deepika is telling, I am following. Nice to see you. And hope, guys, when you are following, just make sure that you are following each and every post, because each of the posts which I give, those are very valuable to everyone, right? So when I'm talking here in the Amazon interview experience, how I have cleared the 5 rounds, you can see like people are very much expecting these kind of things. See, congratulations on acing those Amazon interviews. Your detailed breakdown and sharing of questions reflect incredible dedication. Right? People are telling, thanks for sharing, keep guiding others. Amazing share, congratulations. Very helpful, Praveen. Could you please tell me about your role of deployment engineer? This is what like people are expecting out of us. Really helpful, right? And definitely I can help. Congratulations on creating Amazon interview and becoming cloud engineer. Thank you for sharing your interview. People are looking for these kind of things, guys. And definitely you all are going to be with me. Yes. Okay. Last 5 enrollments, guys. Last 5 enrollments. People are watching us from all over the world. And obviously, this is basically 100% job ready course. When I tell about job ready, we are specifically targeting job. If you are a fresher, you are non-IT, IT, domain change person, if you are looking for any kind of additional mentorship, and obviously you can see the demo session here. And once you click on book your seat, automatically the code will be applied. Guys, again, last 5 seats. Yes, people are with us. Beautiful. People are with us. Beautiful. Nice to see you all. The effort you are putting in. Next 2 months, you will be with me. Each of the project you see, each of the week-wise syllabus you see. And obviously, we have our placement stories also. People have got 40 plus LPA, 30 plus LPA, people have got. And you can talk with any of the students, like Shubham is there, Shubham Matare, Mohit Singh, Siddharth Patil, Narendra N, Krishna T. See, I have taken the picture in Walmart itself. Our batch 1.0 student. We target 400% hike. How can a person get 400% hike? Our students, our happy students, Vijay, Sujata. So this is the girl stay looking for job, but yes, she has not like got demotivated. She's still looking job, and we are still helping her. So she's the same girl. If I wanted to show you, she is the same girl who is continuously looking out for the help, and we are also there. She is helping others also. DevOps interview question, Sujata Dotti, and she is the same girl who is giving us the reviews, who has been the part. She's telling one of the best session on AWS fundamentals, Linux management, GitHub, many things in this session. Great. DevOps and SRE. Thank you, Praveen Singampalli. Beautiful. And people have got jobs in USA, Canada. Right? Most of the people have got in USA also. Right? And you can talk great ways. Right? You can talk with these students. Go ahead and talk. Right? Beautiful course designed by Praveen Singam for DevOps in the easiest and most understandable manner. Every non-IT guy can use it up, right? And she is telling every non-IT person. So how beautiful this reviews are, right? Great. Last four enrollments, guys. Kritika Ramesh has enrolled. Last four enrollments, guys. Last four enrollments with 20% off. Then we will be talking one to one. We again talking with you one to one. Now, how many people are there on LinkedIn? Let me go ahead and see. I'm not getting the live count here. Let me refresh the screen. Maybe I can get here the live count. Can someone tell how many people are there in our live? Okay, 50 people are there in our LinkedIn live. And beauty is that you are going to get the community page here, right? And people have got jobs, guys. This is, I'm not telling Siddharth Kalagati. He is our Hey DevOps user. Yes, if anyone is enrolled, you can talk with him on LinkedIn also, right? So these are our genuine reviews. I highly recommend this course if you need to grow in your career. And 13 people have given the comments, guys. These all are people from a DevOps community, right? So we are here. Yes, Tanmay, definitely. We are waiting for last four enrollments, guys. Guys, I'm waiting for class timings. Beautiful class timings. If someone is asking, I am here to help you with the class timing. So you see here, www.devops.in/batch6. Beauty is 3 hour session, right? In this 3 hour session, we are going to focus mostly on the content, mostly on the real time experience. All of you see here, this is what you are getting in this course. 14 plus real time projects. Course starts from 20th January. Course duration 2+ months. Doubts clearing session, class timings, class schedule, class duration, everything is here. And yes, obviously, class recordings are also here, guys. Last four enrollments we are waiting. Last four enrollments, guys. Now, how many of you are with me? How many of you are able to learn? Basically, a challenge, guys. If you are not completing any of the project, I will be helpless. I am again. This is a disclaimer. If you are not completing any of the projects from the 14 projects, I will be helpless. Again, I'm telling you have accepted the challenge to be your best, to show your best, and you also have promised me that you will learn all the interview questions and get placed in the companies like my students have got placed. And obviously, definitely, this is what we are going to do in the next couple of months that you are with me. Great, great. Last three enrollments, guys. Beautiful. Enroll now. Shubham is telling 9:59 p.m. Enroll now. Last three enrollments. Great, great. And again, I am telling, if anyone wants to talk with Siddharth, after you get enrolled, you have to click on this person name, and this is the LinkedIn ID, which will take you to the Siddharth's LinkedIn page. Okay. Not only this, if I filter it here, let me see here. Let me see here. There are so many placement stories people have given here, but I have to scroll down, right? I have to see here, like where we are actually getting this kind of placements. I have to see, because one placement which I pin, that will be here, which is marked. So I have to see, like, okay, great. Oladale is telling like some queries he had, and we have replied, and people are sharing Linux home directory structure. So comments that I see. Hi, I am behind our schedule and trying to complete all sessions as have completed the CI unit test integration, SonarQube, Maven build, Docker image, push to my Docker app account, and people are commenting congratulations, because this guy was behind Madeshwaran and he was able to complete. And Madeshwaran is an experienced person from Prime Batch 5.0. You can see here tag. Yes, I enrolled for batch 6. Confused. Yes, few of the invites were cancelled, but again we have rolled it back, right? And you can see completed. Abhishek is telling so many people are there. Great, guys. Last three enrollments. Mahidhar Burlu, right? Great. Last three enrollments, guys. We are waiting. Once you have enrolled, please tell your name so that I can spell it out. Okay. Apart from that, if you see the placement stories, right? If you see this placement stories, please don't be like very astonished that how people are getting jobs, right? How people are getting jobs, and we always tell to the people that yes, we are here to help you, right? That is what we are going to tell. And yes, you can see here, she is telling like Rackspace 5.8 LPA and she was having 15.5 LPA, right? So people are here, guys. People are here. We are providing the best of the best to the students, and how people are able to complete. And yes, Debashish Chaudhary 40 plus LPA. This is what we are going to give you. Yes, yes, that is what we are going to give you the best. No, we are not covering GitOps, Suresh. Let's bang this course. Let's bang this course, guys. If more people will be there, it will be useful because everyone will be able to learn. Great, Omar. That's completely fine. No, GitOps is not there. That's what I tell, right? So yes, we are waiting for last three enrollments, guys. Who are with me? Who are with me? Who are with me? Yes, last three enrollments. Now, last three enrollments, guys. I'm still waiting. I'll be showing you all the things. And yes, if you have not watched the YouTube yesterday video, guys, please watch. I have given my projects already here. I have given my projects, guys, my Walmart projects. If you can see here, I have genuinely added my Walmart projects. And this resume is the one which has helped me to grab 10 offers in the last 2 months. And the Walmart projects, if you see, e-commerce domain I have kept, whereas on projects was telecommunication domain, automobile, Infosys, right? So basically in Infosys, I was from Toyota background. So I think that is why I was able to learn and keep all those things, right? Great. Yes, Kamalpreet, I know you. Yes, I know. By the way, you are from France, I think, right? Great. So last three enrollments are waiting, guys. What type of interview questions? Beautiful questions. The interviews which I have cracked. If you can see here, on my YouTube channel, the companies which I have cracked. You can see here, which and all companies I have cracked in the last 2 months, guys. You can see here, I have got 10 job offers, Adobe, Salesforce, Rubrik, Zen, and all the product-based companies. And this interview questions will be shared to you. Think who is going to give you these kind of interview questions, and those documents are with us. Right? Once you join, you will be able to get it. So, Kamalpreet, I think this is you only, Europe, right? I think this is you only, if I'm not wrong, right? Okay, okay. Now tell me how many of you have enrolled. Looking forward last two enrollments, guys. Beautiful. Tanmay, I will talk to you. Just give me 5 more minutes. Last two enrollments, guys. Last two enrollments. Let's go ahead and roll out. And you can see once you enroll, you will be getting interview. Okay, so that I shared one more interview set. Beautiful. Prashant is telling something interview question. How to add worker node to master node? Rashmi is asking. And yes, were some of the batch 5 students who were actively working with me, who were with me for the last 2 months, right? Those who got any doubts, they put it here. Last two enrollments, guys. Last two enrollments. We are looking for last two enrollments. Enrollment already done. Great. So let's talk. Already enrolled. No, I'm talking about now because you have 70% off, and that is limited for some set of students, right? Those who join live, those who interact with me. How can I call the service center? You can. This is not a service center, right? Rahul, Rahul. No. This is basically a website, right? And you can check all the details on the website, right? Okay, anyone enrolled, guys? Anyone from LinkedIn? Like, I would like to see how many people are there on LinkedIn. Those who want to talk with me, just stay another 5 minutes. We'll definitely talk, and I'm giving the link of classes, right? Definitely check out all the things. Who should I call? Rahul, you can talk with me. Just 1 second. Satyababu, 4.5 years of gap. Why you had gap? Why you had gap? Recorded videos, if you need 5.0 recorded videos, you can enroll in the 5.0. So the same link in the head box, if you search, there will be 5.0 also. Okay? There you will get recorded videos. If you go to there under this, you will get 5.0 recorded videos. But I would suggest you join the latest class which we are conducting. Yes, Arjun, definitely you are going to get a chance where we will learn Python, shell scripting, Jenkins files, design, and movie files, everything, whatever you need for your job. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. So guys, last one enrollment. We have role also getting enrolled. No, it's not necessary, Dhanikonda. It's not necessary. You just need to understand the flow. That's it. That should be enough. Okay. So last one enrollment, guys. Last enrollment. Last one enrollment. I'm waiting for last one enrollment. Who want to be that person who is trying to change your stream, who is looking out for some new adventures in this new year 2024. Now, how many of you are willing to embrace or embark that journey? Souvik. Souvik is the person who has got enrolled. Souvik, have you enrolled now or you enrolled previously? Great, Umar, that's completely fine. Okay, people are joining our screen. Tomorrow I will enroll my UPR. Okay, Dugyala. But one thing is, if the course price is changing, then don't blame, right? Because this is a limited period offer where we are trying to give the best to the students, right? Role we are mainly focusing on AWS only. If you see these projects which we are going to cover, right? Mostly we are targeting your AWS projects, right? So if you see the 14 plus projects, and each week what we are going to learn, what we are going to target is this one, right? And you are going to get all tools in the next 2 months plus assignments. And these are our students who have got placed in Walmart, Cisco, Deloitte, Hexaware, Sapient, Red Hat, Airtel, Infosys, NEC, Global Logic, and many other companies. So that is what I always tell, right? So yes, so let's talk with everyone, those who are here, right? Enrolling, great, Arjun, sure. Okay, let's talk with Tanmay Debnath. Okay, so anyone who is still enrolling, you want me to wait or can I talk with the students? You want me to wait? Any other queries? Okay, before talking to the students, do you have any other queries, guys? Those who are on live with me. Okay, please shoot your questions, and by 10:15, I'll be talking with the people, those who are with me on live. Okay. Okay, I'm a big queries. Please post your queries, guys. I'm a BCom student, pass out. I have no coding and tool knowledge about anything. If I join, I will be able to understand all of this. Aman, request you, if you are joining, you have to go through the documents which are attached on the website. Then you will be able to understand. Definitely. Yes. Yes, Rahul, it will be from scratch and it will be based on job ready content. And if any queries you have, you can always post here with your data, with your query, right? We have the community managers also. Subrankata Sahu, I think I have heard somewhere this name, I'm not sure. So any other queries you have, guys? Any other queries, any other questions, any other thoughts you want to give? Guys, please ask your questions. I'm open to take your questions. Any other questions? I'm asking for one last time. If you have any questions, please shoot at me, right? People on LinkedIn, no questions? For sure. Can I talk with the people? Can I talk with the people? Give me a yes, guys. If you don't have any questions, give me a yes. I'll be talking with the students. Enrolled, great. Okay. यस कंटेंट बहुत सारा यूट्यूब में रखा है भाई यूट्यूब में भर भर के कंटेंट रखा है 5 कोर्सेज भी कर लिए हमने यूट्यूब में 5 फ्री कोर्सेज भी कर लिए हमने यूट्यूब में आप देख लीजिए मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल जाके यहाँ पे सारी डिटेल्स सारे प्लेलिस्ट जो जो वट एवर द कंपनीज आई हैव क्रैक्ड all the companies will be under this interview experience with questions and documents. Right? So this is basically Paytm, Walmart, how I have cracked SAP, Informatica, all those things will be here. You can check. Right? Okay, let's talk with students. Yes, Arjun, correct. It will be from that platform only. Srinivas, only on EKS you would need money around 200 to 300 bucks. That's it. Okay, let's talk with the students now. I'm attaching or I'm talking with everyone now. Okay, Tanmay, go ahead. I think I have taken you.
Yeah, hi,
Tanmay,
Praveen. Yeah, hi, Praveen. Can you hear me?
I have Tanmay. Tanmay, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I'm able to hear you. Go ahead.
Okay, okay. So So last time we have talked that I have told you like I am having almost 15 years of experience, but currently I don't have any jobs due to the layoff 2023. So I have done the Azure DevOps part only for Microsoft site, and I have already seen your HeyDevOps.in that this is totally covered about the AWS and other things. So what I have covered, I need to present my screen. If you okay with that, can I share?
No, no, I didn't get that. What is that? What you have covered? Can you tell me again?
I have
Because I was
covered
getting it.
I have covered only the DevOps part on Azure side, not AWS side. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I have covered so many things about CICD, very minimal part of the Docker, very minimal part of the Kubernetes, and only the Jenkins part with the CI. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I have taken the training from some private institute. So
Yes.
the thing is that this is totally covered from the Azure side, not from the
Yes.
AWS. But in your
Yes.
course curriculum, there are a lot of things that need to be covered. So. Uh, my challenges is like if I go with that particular things, then again I restart these things on the AWS side. So this course is not for Azure. So can you please guide me how I go in
Yes.
the Azure side?
I'm guiding you. I'm guiding you. Just one second. So you know Azure, right? Can I ask some questions on Azure, if you don't mind? Like one, two basic questions. Because what happens, right? When you are in Azure, let me tell you, when you are learning Azure, right?
Hmm.
As you see here in Azure, there will be virtual machines, right?
Right, right,
And in Azure, if you see, there will be virtual network, right?
correct,
In
correct,
Azure, if you see, there will be subnets,
right.
right? In Azure, if you see, there will be NIC cards, right? In
Hmm.
Azure, if you see, there will be subscriptions beyond this,
Correct,
right?
correct,
Right.
correct.
So what is my take here is you are going to become a multi-cloud engineer. Now, if I replicate this, you see
Hmm.
here, I have VPC here, VPC, which is
Okay,
equivalent to VNet. Okay.
right,
I
right.
have my EC2, which is equivalent to VM. I have my subnet, the same name. I have my
Hmm.
security groups where you call
Hmm.
network security groups here. I have my security
Okay,
groups here, right?
okay.
And you have your NIC cards, you have your route tables. Here also, I'm calling route tables. There also, you have AWS subscription. Here also, you have Azure subscription. Terraform, if you see, right,
Hmm.
only the plugins names get changed. So you don't need to worry. It's better that whatever you have learned, that's great. And whatever we are going to add it on, that will be a double impact on your resume, right? That's what
Okay,
my
okay.
take, my opinion will be, right? On an holistic view, if I want to learn something new, that's a good for me, right? Now people are also
Hmm.
looking at Azure bhi aana chahiye ek bande ko, AWS bhi aana chahiye. Along with that, you need to know system design. If I
Correct.
give you a three-tier architecture, how will you scale? How will you make it reliable? How will you make implement security on the cloud? So all those things we are going to cover, right? So you need to understand whatever we are covering here, the same will be applicable on your Azure also,
Okay, okay.
right?
Because the main thing is totally
No,
the
only
main.
only 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 thing is URL. बस आप ये सोच के चलो कि मेरे को Azure में portal.azure.com मिलता था, यहाँ पे aws.com है. That's
नहीं
it. And I will be
उसका
making
कोई
sure that
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं जीसीपी में भी सीख सकता हूँ, प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है।
correct.
प्रॉब्लम है कि अभी करेंटली मेरे पास कोई जॉब नहीं है, एंड आई एम टोटली हंटिंग फॉर जॉब इन वेरियस सेक्टर्स। आई नो
Correct.
मार्केट ईटीएम, आई नो ईटीएल एक्सरसाइज विद एडीएफ, but the problem is I'm not getting any kind of substances or any kind of opportunities right now, still four
How
to
many
five
years of
months
experience you have, Tanmay?
almost 15, 14.7 is running.
Acha, okay. Okay. Can we do one thing? Like, can you send your resume to heydevopsbatch6@gmail.com? Because you are telling, right, you are not having job and you are telling like you
But
are
the thing is
struggling a
that,
lot.
yes, main thing is that if I go with that particular Azure or AWS, whatever the DevOps kind of things, but that will be counted as a fresher. But
No,
I want to,
no, why you are thinking that? See, if I'm, let's take like this is for everyone. Let's take like I am in Tanmay's place, okay, and I'm in the same situation. I'm looking for a job, and by God's chance, like I got into AWS also. So how I will project this basically, like you all assume that I'm Tanmay. Okay, I'll be as and you are my interviewer. Those who are watching me, and let's take I'm giving interview. Okay, so hi, this is Tanmay here, and I have total of 14.5 years of experience in DevOps, SRE, cloud, and automations domain. I have been working in automobile e-commerce domain at the same time. The current project is related to e-commerce again. Coming on to the tech stack, we are using AWS and predominantly Azure. And few of the microservices we have launched on AWS, where the entire architecture to building up, to scaling up, to making sure that reliability is available, I, along with my team of 3 juniors, have made it up and running. As of now, I am leading a solutions architect role or a lead role, you can say. And beyond me, there is a manager to whom I am reporting. Apart from this, I have also made sure that my team is capable of doing various kinds of automations. So here we have implemented some chatbot automations. And along with that, because earlier, if you see, our organizations were not using Kubernetes, but we made sure that we have Kubernetes, and I have again implemented with my 3 team members the Kubernetes POC, which successfully went off, and we were able to successfully get the budget from the client because we went beyond and above. We burnt out so many oils, we worked on weekends and made sure that project is going live. Now, when we gave the POC, there were few hurdles. See, how I am telling Tanmay na, कि यार कुछ कर रहे हो आप, and you are getting a hurdle and you are overcoming that. This is like a leadership qualities. Now, 14 plus years of experience, you should not look for what you have to learn. Now, you should be in the position to tell in the fact that you are guiding team members. You are understanding. You will be going as a manager now. You will be going as a senior manager now. So you should be in a position in telling the members that you have led a team, you have the managerial skills, you have the architectural point of view, you led a chatbot project, right? So those kind of things will benefit you. I am thinking somewhere you are behind learning everything. Like ye bhi pad liye, wo bhi pad liye, wo bhi pad liye. I would request you to think in terms of solutions architect, think in terms of manager. Like, let's take you, I'm giving my manager position, senior site reliability engineering manager position. So I'll be telling in terms of cost, I'll be telling in terms of how I have led a team, how I was able to give my team the awards. So in terms of that, along with that, the skills are also important. And my damn sure takeaway from you is, if you are giving the projects which I am explaining in batch 6.0, 100% you will be under the managerial role. I have managers of 18 plus years of experience in my 5.0, and you would have seen Madheshwaran is the person who would have seen you the Jenkins CICD flow in the courses.hedevops.in. His interview I have taken, and I've clearly stated him that he was only knowing serverless architecture, but I told him with the serverless architecture, the opportunities will be less, right? So you need to think in that way, Tanmay. Don't worry. Okay, 100%. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Sure. Thanks a lot.
It's appreciated. And last thing, that what is the Gmail address that you have told?
Oh, what is that?
What is the Gmail address that you have told that I'll be sending my CV?
Hey DevOps batch6@gmail.com, where I will see that what is stopping in your resume, right? And I'll be just sending out a reply, making sure that you start with that. You start with that resume. Let's see like how it goes, right?
Okay.
I hope you are.
And how many seats are available in the batch 6?
Oh, what is that again? Sorry.
How many seats are available in batch 6 so that I can, if possible, so that I can enroll now?
See, what I was telling, right? See, 70, when someone is giving you a huge discount, it means that we have limited seats on that particular slot, right? If that particular slot gets over, then the cost will be increased, right? And it's again, like we have set of numbers which we are thinking where I have the potential to grab the attention of that kind of audience, right? So that is there. But this offer which you are going to get might be there, might not be there, based on the, again, people's requirement. If student is telling like, Praveen, please see that, so definitely we'll be seeing that. But yeah, we have got as per the requirement now.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Tanmay.
Thanks, Praveen.
Thank you. So that was Tanmay. So I think I have talked in the best way. I have shown you all ki yaar, if someone is experienced, how do you sit? Okay, I have also similar issue like Tanmay. Okay. I think, see, guys, you always needs to focus on how you represent yourself, right? how you make sure you are confident, right? That's what the beauty is. So yes, I think I'm good. Any other questions you have, guys? What are the questions? Any other questions if you want to tell to me? Any other questions you have which you want to throw at me? Apart from the course fee, what other cost will we need to for the course like cloud? Okay, apart from the course fee, only you need the EKS cost, which we will be taking from AWS. So in AWS, the EKS cost will be taken, which will be approximately 200 to 300 rupees, and it will be borne by you, right? So this is, if you are interested, you can do this project. If you are not interested, I have 2 projects here in the Kubernetes class. Okay, so those who want to do on the cloud Kubernetes, they can opt for cloud EKS. If you don't want to spend money, I have one more project, Minikube project, which will be replicating in local laptop and will be working. So that is what we have. Okay, again, whatever you see, those all things we have kept in terms of students acknowledgement, right? Yes, any other questions you have, guys? Where is that? StreamYard. Okay, any other questions? Any possibility for having experience as testing one student? Yes, Ankit, definitely. We have so many students who are actually testers who have migrated to DevOps, right? So I think you can be the one, right? Will you take daily troubleshooting and salary? Yes, salary negotiations we are discussing in the doubts clearing class, right? So that is what we are going to do. Yes, Omar, that is definitely there. Compression and archive, these are basic things. Okay, without this, there is nothing. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay. Okay. Any other questions? EKS not free, part of free tier? No, EKS is not part of free tier. EKS you have to pay money. I have a question. How your course will help fresher having 3 years gap? So yeah, freshers or anyone, those who are looking for actually like you want job, right? Freshers always are behind jobs, right? Behind jobs. So you are the people who are only behind the job. You are missing here the bridge which is bringing you the job to close, right? That is your skills, right? So I am confident that my projects, my teaching, my interview questions, my job guidance sessions, my resume reviews, my mock interviews will help you, provided you give your 2 months of dedication time to me, right? If you feel that you are ready to take the challenge, fresher challenge, then you take it, right? I hope you will be able to understand what is the importance of completing all the things. Yes, yes, Harshal. We have various kinds of tools, right? So we will be covering in the class only. So Kirti is asking, I have 3 years of experience in Salesforce DevOps. Can I get best package in DevOps? Yes, Salesforce. See, Salesforce is like a crunch of domain. Like it's getting negligible as you go ahead, right? So when you become a Salesforce DevOps to a more prominent DevOps and SRE engineer, then it will be good. So Kirti, definitely it will be helpful. And package means you have to tell your current package, right? And as you have seen, our 3 years candidate has got 42.5 LPA from Amazon, right? So there is no stoppage on getting the package, right? So if you have not seen that person name, you can see here from our placement stories. So he has sent out an email to us. Where is that person? So you can see here, somewhere here on the scrolling, you can see. Yes, this is Bank of America. Our 5.0 managers have got Bank of America, right? So somewhere you would have seen. So many testimonials are here, so I'm not able to show you. But yeah, it will be available there only. Great. So any other questions, guys? Any other questions you have? Any other thoughts? Any other queries you have? So what we are trying to do, what are we landing? what is our end agenda, how we are going to learn. Interview calls, I will be providing you with the job opportunities, guys. Very important, right? Right, Ajinkya? Means I want to learn more DevOps. Can I learn it from here? Yes, Kirti, definitely. That's what I'm telling, right? You can learn, definitely. Okay. I have nearly 2.5 years of experience in IT, but I am completely new to DevOps. Maybe, yes, Mahidar Burlu. Yes, it will help you. As a non-IT person, will I be able to understand and complete all projects? Hari, only thing is, if you got any question, please put it in the courses.hedevops.in, which is your feed section, right? This is your feed section, and here people will help you, right? I got a question like example of calculated risk as DevOps engineer. Have you worked on tight deadline? Yes, Siddhartha, this is like managerial question, right? So you can tell like there was a production issue where you went and you had to take the decision without the manager involvement, and you did that and you resolved the issue and came out as an hero. Yes, role Saturday and Sunday. No, coding, written coding, I will not help. That is not our part. I'll be telling you how to write a code, right? Will not be helping you in writing the written coding exams. Yes, Harshal, it's definitely one of the good thing that you can do, right? Chandaram, oh, those things are a little bit more. It will be no WhatsApp. We have the community feed section, guys. So this is your feed section where you can come post anything, right? You can post anything and you can talk to your students, your friends, your colleagues, everyone, right? Okay. Any other queries? Hari Narayan, I have as a non-IT person will be able to. Yes, you can able to understand Hari. That's simple, right? Okay, let me see in LinkedIn how many people are here. Okay, 36 people are here. Great. Okay, any last things you want to talk? Documents will be provided along with class notes. Yes, documents, project documents, class notes will be provided. Yes, Rakesh. Ramu, 7 years gap. What were you doing till now? No, there is no WhatsApp group, Sai Kiran. We are giving you the best feed section. This is like your Instagram page. You scroll, you ask, you get the data, right? Why do you need the WhatsApp group? This is the group where you have to talk. Ajinkya, what was your question? I didn't get that. Ajinkya, kahan hai Ajinkya? Ajinkya, where he is? Ajinkya, can you ask your question one more time? Ramu, see, those kind of things are hypothetical question. Okay. See, Hari, I have installed Hey DevOps app. Will I need to join from app for live classes? You can join from app as well as you can join from your laptop also. So that should not be an issue. Okay. You can join from app and you can join from Hey DevOps page also. Okay. Do you provide interview calls? No, I don't provide interview calls, right, Ajinkya? I have told you clearly. I'll be providing with opportunities, right? Interview calls, how can I get, right? How many hours do we need to spend per day as working professional? You have to spend as much time as you get the confidence, right? Yes, Ayush, definitely it will be helpful. I'm very much sure about that, right? No, you guys, those who are domain changing people, you are not fresher. You have to tell like DevOps/networking. All of you see here, you have to tell like DevOps/network engineer. You are not fresher. You are an experienced person now. DevOps/tester. Okay. DevOps/DBA. That thing you have to make your resume kind of. Clear, everyone? Are you all clear? Siddhartha, keep trying. Will you cover Git branching? Yes, Harsha, we will be covering. Do more podcast. Sure. You are my god of DevOps, NMV. Thanks a lot. Okay. Any other things before we wind up? Now, those who have enrolled, guys, again, I'm telling all of you, those who have enrolled, please see here, you have to go to the heydevops.in devops.in, you have to go to the courses, you have to log in into the website, go here, and you will be able to see the documents which are attached. Go over the documents, and soon, by this Sunday and Monday, you will be getting some more documents, some more videos to watch. Okay, clear everyone? So stay tuned. Stay tuned. So make sure you are with us, right? You are able to understand. Teaching DevOps Ajinkya. At the same time, I will be showing you all my projects from Naukri portal, from Instahire portal, from LinkedIn portal, how I have applied jobs, which companies I have applied, what company is giving you what package, what are the job opportunities are there under those companies, that things. Okay. Testing, correct, Harshal. I have worked in retail domain. Now what will be my role? Retail means what is that, Dugyala? Can you tell? I'm a support engineer. Definitely you can change. Your title will be like this: DevOps/support engineer. Okay, your title will be like this. Okay, or DevOps slash someone as tester. Okay, like this, or DevOps/SRE. Okay, like this. Okay, those who are able to understand, they will be very easily understanding that, okay, these all are important things which you need to know. Correct? Okay, got it. Great. Ajinkya is happy with it. Okay, any other questions, guys? So one last time, I am again making you all go over the website. So guys, this is our website which has been launched. We have completed successfully all the courses which were there in our previous batches, and the placement stories are attached here. If you have any questions, any queries, always check out the placement stories. And once you have enrolled, please go over the documents which are attached. And again, I am telling, the course is containing 14 plus real-time projects. Course starts from 20th January. Course duration is 2+ months. Class schedule live, Saturday and Sunday we'll be doing. Class timings 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Doubts clearing session on Wednesday or Thursday. Class duration is 3+ hours of live teaching. Class recording provided, yes. Course validity 2 years. Programming use Python. Prerequisites, no prerequisites, beginner friendly. Doubt session timing 8 p.m. IST. Okay, and 14 plus projects details are here. Those who want to enroll can be the part of it, right? As I have an experience of 2.5 years in IT company, but not in cloud DevOps, will you also provide us the content? What is that? As I have the 2.5 years in IT company, but I'm giving the story also, right? Roles and responsibilities. So guys, okay, so that's all for today. Anyone is looking to enroll? Those who are watching live, because we will be changing the price after the live class. Anyone is willing to enroll now? Anyone is willing to enroll now? Jhakas, sir, I had done Azure 900. Badhiya yaar. Aapko kyun nahi job mil raha hai, Kiran? You have done Azure 900, 104, 400. Okay, great. So anyone is looking to enroll? Okay, Kirti, shall I wait for some more minutes? Okay, we will be waiting for how much time here is. We have the timer. Let's see how much time we have to wait. Let's see for the timer. Okay, I will be waiting for 8 more minutes, guys. Those who want to enroll in the live, if you are with me, please enroll. And this is what you are going to get. I will be opening the timer for you. Next 8 minutes. So Kirti, go ahead. Cost is 4250, guys. Cost is 4250. 4250, 70% off. Right, where we are giving you real-time exposure, real-time experience process. Venu, just click on this link, www.heydevops.in/batch6 on the Google, right? You can type like this, heydevops.in, right? You will get that. By the way, here the spelling is mistake. Yes, heydevops.in. Go to the courses, go to batch 6, or you directly click on the link. Okay. Okay, great. So I'll be waiting for next 8 minutes, guys. I'll be just making you all walk through over my YouTube channel, how you can go or start your journey, right? So we have home of YouTube videos here. So this is the video which I have posted yesterday, where I have shared my Walmart resume. You can go and check out here. So basically, I have even talked with Dhoni sir. You can see here how I have got 41,000 job opportunities, you can check here, right? And if you want to see why I have left, why I have rejected Amazon over Walmart, what was the mistakes that I have done. If you don't want to repeat those mistakes, you can see here, right? And beautifully, I have designed all these videos for everyone, those who want to see, right? And these are some AI tools, right? So you can see how these things are helping you. Yes, Hari Narayan, definitely. So guys, I am waiting. Okay, provide price. This course is coming you with 4250. Guys, okay. Anyone who has enrolled, please give your name. Please give your name so that I can understand that you have completed the enrollment, right? Yes, Chandaram, you can get that. Okay, Pranit is asking, I have recently joined Capgemini as a fresher and they have allotted me SAP, but I always wanted to join into DevOps. How do you think I should proceed for getting big too? You can join the 6.0, right? Great, Sai Teja. Great. Okay. So, okay, I think I was waiting for Kriti or Kirti, I'm not sure. What is that? I have one doubt in Linux, compress and archive. Well, these are very basic things, Omar, right? Yes, Dhanikonda, you can. Yes. Okay. 4.0, Anandan is telling, I did in 4.0. Can I join as well? Yes, Sai. If you are still looking for a job, if you feel that I need more confident, I need Praveen's interview questions and everything, you can join. Okay, sir, I am BTech first year and fresher. Can I switch to DevOps? Yes, you can switch to DevOps. Yes, Dhani, you can definitely do it. Second attempt, provided change your email ID and phone number. Right? Okay, how much time we have left with, guys? Last 4 minutes. If anyone is enrolling, please enroll. Kriti, Bandi Dilip, great. Okay, Kirti, I'm still waiting for you. Yes, Sai. If you want to have any other things, you can make it email, right? We will discuss with team and help you with that. Okay, but yes, obviously you have to pay, right? Okay, I completed enrollment. Great, Bandi Dilip. Right. Price is high as we have same price. Price is high. Yes, price is not high. Again, I am telling Chandra, go ahead and compare in any website of any of your mentor. Great. Okay, Chandan Samal. Great. Nice to see you, Samal. Great. Kirti, are you there? Because of you, I am still on live. So I think that should be another 3 minutes where we are standing. Sir, I am a BTech student from last 1 year and fresher. Can I switch to DevOps? Yes, Shubham, you can switch. College student, yes. Yes, you can switch. Okay. What happened, NMV? Can you tell who is doing the piracy here? Anyone did you saw doing the piracy for our course? Thanks, Praveen. But the issue is that companies say you need to have relevant experience, meaning that you need to have worked in real time. Yes, Ayush, that's where you get from Prime Batch 6.0, right? You get the real time experience. Piracy. Yes, NMV. Who is that piracy? Who is that person who is spreading the piracy? Huh? Okay. Okay, thanks, Praveen. Yes, I told you, Ayush, right? So this is basically you need to make sure that you complete all the projects which we have, right? Very important that is, right? Okay, last 2 minutes, guys. If anyone is with me, you can enroll yourself. Okay. Anyone? Okay, great. Okay. Okay, thank you all for joining. I think I have done my part, right? Those who want to be with me for the next 2 months, January, February, March, make sure you are enrolling. All the details are in website. Go ahead and check out this course. Success stories also. Make sure you are interacting with the students, gaining the things. And those who have enrolled, please keep an eye on courses.hedevops.in. This is your feed page where you can come talk with your friends, chat, chit, everything. Okay. So yes, thanks all for joining. Right, it was really nice talking to you all, and see you all in next class, where we are thinking of bringing you all, yes, basically more things, right? And we are trying to bring some new kind of things, stuff for everyone, right? Neha, basically the design is wherever you are, in whichever geographic location you are sitting, that server will be taking your IP address. Okay, so you cannot change that to INR. You are getting right. If you are sitting in India, then it will be in INR. If you are sitting somewhere outside India, it will be USD, and you have to pay via USD. And because we have some server cost setup and everything, that is where we have kept that. Okay. So yes, thank you all for joining. It was really nice talking to you. This is Singam signing off. Keep an eye on LinkedIn posts because so many placement stories are going to be revealed. And please keep an eye on YouTube because very good videos are getting launched in the recent times. Make sure you are sharing the channel link with your friends, right? And keep do hard work. Make your parents proud. Make yourself proud. And at the end, I would say, स्टैंड ऑन योर ओन फीट गाइस, ठीक है? किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करना है हमें, ठीक है? थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक्स तन्मय, थैंक्स अ लॉट, वी विल रिव्यू एंड सेंड अ फीडबैक, ठीक है? थैंक्स ऑल, बाय बाय, या